Alright guys, so we just got a call for a razor that's buried out near the water tanks. So we've got Kyler here with the weather today. It's currently clear with 74 degrees. It's a hot day. No AC in the Jeep, so as far as we know, there's nothing wrong with this razor. I think they might have burned up a motor or a belt, but...
Did he say it was this way?
Yeah, I think we head west.
I'll go right.
So we'll head on out there and see what we can do to get them out of there. We might be flat towing them all the way out, but we got the Jeep and a razor, and so we'll get them out. The customer sent us a pin, and I don't think it's accurate because we're over here, and I think he's probably about a mile away from us. We're right dead on where the pin said he's supposed to be. So
can't see him yet.
We'll keep looking, and hopefully we find him. Oh, there's the customer. There's the customer. Go.
Yeah, I'm so glad that you guys are here.
Hey, how's it going?
Oh, well, so I was...
Is your four-wheel drive working? We weren't sure if there was something wrong with the machine or...
Well, so the four-wheel drive was working. You can see I kind of dug in a little bit in the front.
Okay, well, let's get a D-ring, a soft shackle, a rope, a kinetic rope. We'll pull the winches out, and then let's rig up to one of these bushes over here.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Bring that razor and stick it up over here. I want you to be parallel with it, okay? Back up. Back up. Keep coming.
All right, that's
keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay.
Dude.
A little bit forward. A little bit forward. That'll work there.
Do it. Are you gonna crawl under it, or?
I'm not sure if there's any toe points on this thing or whatnot. So.
Daddy, chill.
This thing's heavy.
Yeah, we'll go ahead and have you get in, and I'll jump in the razor here, and we'll try and get you a nice pull. We shouldn't have to do kinetic, but we'll figure out. Okay. I think we'll need to push full drive, and this should be fine. Hey, I'm gonna try not to do a kinetic pull. Are you ready?
Don't do it.
right, nah, we're just messing with you guys. We love Matt. We've been watching his videos for years, and we're definitely not going into competition. You can't beat the best. So maybe one day, if we're, you know, lucky and gracious enough, we can get recovered by Matt.
I don't like where this is going.
What are you doing over there, buddy? She's pretty roached. I think maybe she has one more kinetic pull in her.
Find out. I'm scared.
It is what it is. It is what it is.